Siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikama.
Hi, welcome to Diski Podcast. Please like and subscribe, even ring a bell on our channel.
Welcome to the show, everyone. This is your weekly stop for the latest soccer news, stories, and big talking points from around the world. Whether you're tuning in from home, on the road, or straight from the stadium, we've got you covered. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the matches, the moments, and the players making headlines. So sit back, relax, and let's kick off with the biggest stories in football right now.
We have been defending for too long now. It's time to take the shots and score the goal. MI Legends Club.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Diski Supreme. Siringa ngediski, oh.
Sanibonani balandeli besiringa ngediski. Nginibulisa nonke kusenza namhlanje na. All the viewers of our podcast, the listeners, the followers, I welcome you all to our podcast. This side, as we've introduced to you last week, we've got our member by the name of G, known as G. I'd like to greet you. How are you, G?
Hi Chief, how are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, I the General. Greeta wonke umuntu, bonke abalandeli besiringa. Siyanamukela namhlanje sizokhuluma ngegame yethu ye-TS Galaxy which was playing against the Sundowns le game ye-12. Over to you, my chief. Ubone kanjani le game mfethu?
No, to be honest, yeah, those boys, I'm asking myself, how did Pirates beat those boys? How did they lose the Nedbank Cup with their performance that they gave? Although it was said that Sundowns have got a bad record against those young stars, but the way those boys were playing, look at their goals. They're excellent. Because they were planning that they'll do this, will do that. All their goals are marvelous. To our national goalkeeper, who was scored by the team, I don't know how to express it, G. Over to you, with you seeing the game playing.
Oh well, honestly speaking, I believe ukuthi Sundowns besephethe le mentality ukuthi they've won the league already. Bayelapha bese banyathile basitshela ukuthi hayi league yethu sayiphakamisa le trophy. Unfortunately so, into ngiyibone kule goalkeeper yabo le TS Galaxy uTape, hayi shem. Ama-tremendous save phela. Bebaprova ipoint ukuthi they are here for business. They're not just here ukugana nge-3 points. Of which very Sundowns mawuthapeka bekumele ifake boma 8 goals ukuthi ziphumelele because of masithapeka i-goal difference is the Pirates. It's a huge game. So manje obviously sekumele manje sinikane vele ngelithi sithi Pirates ayiphumelele phambili.
On that one again, what killed Sundowns? That's me. What killed Sundowns? They went to that game with the mind, just say, careful, we not the final. And again, Babena learned to, like GF said, Babena says we need. You don't win a game before you play the game. You play it first, then you get the result. That's why always when you ask me, what's my prediction? I hate and I'm scared to predict because football rolls. It doesn't have corners. It's a circle. So it goes anyway. That is why I'm saying to you, what caused Sundowns that the coach, one, is under pressure. Two, the management are expecting, it doesn't have a trophy at all this season. So to the game, to the game. I don't know what is that we've seen for the entire game. I don't know.
Yeah, on that game, money from the midfield, the Sundowns, the defense. There was no proper communication, I can tell. Because I'm lose ball, money more chap. I'm gonna let to Maduna, number 10, if I'm not mistaken. TS Galaxy. Every loose ball, they got to a papagati. They were attack, and their attack, about Pilama 8 goals, which they gave them 3 points at the end of the game.
And then let's say Sundowns once more. Sorry for that, man. It's Sundowns once more. They were followers, Bebelandela.
Yeah.
There's that one that's like she say, there's this Maduma or Maduna. That boy, Pegamakola won't. I short. There's no goal that they've tried to touch I short. They will my passes, breakthroughs, passing behind the defender. Margaret Chiangapa, Lionel Tutura Libabinet. And the Matu our national keeper, the way I do our corner. In 2 games, 7 goals behind his back.
And no, bengifuna ukubuza la ngibone no general ku status sakhe athi isikole serugby, so bengifuna ukunderstand ukuthi uthini makathi isikole serugby. And the other thing engifuna ukunderstand engifuna ukubuza ngayo, I think Sundowns for mina ilose because ama player amabhaya like laba bathwele injury, ama player wabo laba bawathembi. So now ithi checker la ngasho ukuthi isani bakhabatha ile ntwana lezi like abo sales.
Yes.
Like should beba make sure ukuthi okay abo sales bazo deliver, but definitely when you find out ukuthi nazo le ntwana ze TS Galaxy and ziyagijima. And most of idiski la namagoli ngibone ukuthi ngathi bekuamadide ngama counter attack.
Yes.
Definitely labantu bagijimile until 80 something. Yilapho ukuthi uyabona ngathi manje TS Galaxy sefuna ukudefenda ngathi bakhathe. So ngifuna ukunderstand that the first one level ngibuza ngayo the score le-rugby, and the second thing ukuthi grand baba lose labantu laba bathola ama injury. They can win any game or bebazenza nje because they still have other players. And football understand that ukuthi ama key player wabo njengoba bebangekho, they don't have other key players is abantu bazi ukuthi Sundowns iphethe ama superstars.
Sure. Okay. Kulesi status sibonile ngithi sobona isikole serugby. The way iChess Galaxy beatheka ngakhona. Isikole lapha bekumele kube over 6 goals against Sundowns because of the attack was too marvelous. Honestly speaking, our fan they deserve a win here. That's why bengikhuluma ngesikole serugby. I was seeing more than 5-6 goals engena nge-TS. I-commitment alabafana labaya. They showed no respect to Sundowns. Amateam amabhama uThapela baye respect Sundowns because of it's a bigger team. And coming to our player, it is aina therefore. We don't rely on my key player. Each and every player which is selected the squad team is the best player. Aguna quality player kumele manje kureliable. If it happens that you are out for 6 months, what will happen ama player akho team? Why are we signing other players? If si believe only 15 players, and then what about the others? A key player useless. So I guess I'm going to level anyone. So it's not a matter which there were injuries and whatsoever. Mentality as management and the coach, it was wrong. Bafike ngokuthi bafike sebanabinyawo ingakhona abosales bebazenze of which naye uSales he had his own touches. He's a dangerous player. Uyakhona ukwafaka ABC. Unfortunately so nabo Leon nabafana bathi commitment and defense akundlula salibhola usalibha.
So in addition to that, coming to the registration of players, I don't think PSL they say you register so many players. The only thing that they do, you have 11 players playing and 8 on the bench. And how many players you have for the entire team, that's your baby to look after. You look at Pirates. Pirates have got more than 50 players. Some of their players are playing in other teams. You check, just to give you a few. Now, I won't say much. A few. We were playing Stellenbosch. Mabasa couldn't play. He belongs to Pirates. We were playing Magese. 2 of their players didn't play. Yeah. They belong to Pirates. You understand what I'm saying? So with the Sundowns thing, they said they've got everything. So like, the question is, if it happens for 6 months, he's out of play. So what is going to happen? You look, I'm sorry, I'm not meaning because I'm a Pirates fan or supporter. Pirates have got different. This boy plays 3. That boy, if he's playing, the Hoto is on the bench. You look at their right back. We've got Von Royen. We've got Sibelebele. You check those replacements. We've got this Mutuma boy. We've got Wanasesi. You check. Each and every the position must have a replacement. And with Pirates, like Jomoson once said, telling Kemba Shabalala, Pirates have got 3 teams. It's up to them how they win. Look at the Black Label against 11. South Africa 11, PSL 11. Yeah. Pirates said, Abomuta Gaziwa. Now they don't have a goal. They're like TV. You understand?
Silver
so they still have got the deficit
$250 per month.
From Gold
plan
we didn't have
$50 per month.
bantu bafuna ukupromota kuhamba abantu kuya lephezulu kusala bani lephezulu bathengisa bani shiya wabani basayolanda bani so that's not a security malumeli banakekho
We believe every farewell deserves
So
respect.
nithi manje Sundowns fanele concentrate ku-CAF or ngibona because now angazi ngifuna ukuthi ningi-answer nokuthi grand what will happen nge-coach ye-Sundowns manibhekile.
Kungenzakala ukuthi ama-backup apakiwe bangamfaka i-Chase, but oh well masithi siyabheka overall they've been coming so well baloku bawina. It's just only this game edistepe i-progress yabo ukuthi bathethe i-league, but for now honestly speaking into kumele ibhekwe i-CAF, concentration kumele ibekwe u-CAF, i-league bakhohlwa nayo.
So ngale coach yale bani cup or akazi ithole icup
Kusaphekwa ibottle sasemlilweni.
So yabona ukuthi ngathi liyasha le board or ngibona amanga Mr Mzerelo.
no like asho ukuthi ama-backup your parent, don't forget this guy akawinanga nix ba-empty phela i-cabinet yabo for this 2025-26 season i-empty cabinet yabo
Dry.
i-dry ayina nix, understand?
Yeah.
So what is happening here?
Yeah, what is happening?
Babheka i-CAF, it's two-way traffic nakuleyo CAF. It's not
a main
guaranteed.
focus. Yeah.
It's not guaranteed ukuthi they will win those games. Because one, I'm told and I believe that Makula Zalagit. From here, it's for Sundowns to make it a point that they score 2 or 3 goals. Mabe figure if they are good in parking a bus, household park, failing, ele second moile gate.
Hey.
Ayikho level, you don't predict Paula. Dlala, win ukore, then bakuniki credit yakho.
So when general ubona ukuthi afake bani i-Sundowns ingawina ngescheme esiphi like now for the CAF mawuyibhekile nje.
Well, i-Sundowns inescheme esi-1 which
Yeah.
it's well known in this entire continent. Siyasazi ischeme se-Sundowns esithembe kuso ukuthi masingenile make it up a point kuyawina kuya phambili. Sona lesi abomudawu abomukwena who's this guy odlala ku-left flank lentwana le umudiba.
Yeah.
It's leso scheme sawo which is the norm scheme esisijwayele.
So angitshele nenkinga yabona ngisengikhulumela phansi uthini ngegoalkeeper ye-South Africa
Eish.
njengoba kuyi-goalkeeper
Eish.
yeMatsandawana.
Awuntangamele athi kuhlala phansi kancane man.
So
Uyathi
uthi
kuhlala phansi
Bruce
kancane.
akayibhekanga le game.
Uyibhekile obvious.
You need to have a second thought.
Yeah, yes, thina babo Peterson basiprovile.
Yeah, ngishilo vele
Ah,
ukuthi
basiprovile.
ngishilo ukuthi yabona ngale lose le
Yeah.
yenza ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ithole ipower
Sure.
ke sebathi Peterson already I knew ukuthi vele if i-Sundowns izofathuza sona ne-goalkeeper definitely ne-Chiefs izothana nguPeterson ya representer but naye angifuni ukuthi uPeterson bamfake because usually man
Yeah.
like lezi zinto lezi sekulate already.
Yeah.
So asazi ukuthi makuya ngala naye angazizwakalela ngezinye izinto or mhlambe bamthatha uPeterson masizidliwe bese siblame iChiefs ngoba vele masiluza siblame ama team asiblame
individuals.
individuals blame nje ukuthi hayi if siyaluza siluse iPirates or if siyaluza siluse iSundowns.
Yeah.
So definitely I think naye uPeterson bangamgaya ichance or wena ucabanga ngani Chief.
Coming to the goalkeeper's issue, yes, Hugo Bruce was there when Sundowns was playing. I like this thing again on Mkelele. I game I miss I am Nandi. That is why I pick a phone away in the lake as Katsak.
Yeah.
Because ukhuluma ngento ayibonayo enobufakazi. You understand what I'm saying? Peterson udlala Chiefs. iPirates is strong. Pirates yabanjwa uPeterson. iSundowns ibanjwa uPeterson. So that boy has proved himself. Yabona mina I'm sorry I don't have any vendetta against anyone. Van Rooyen China was no goalkeeper.
Yeah.
Lapha nama goalkeepers now kodwa futhi.
Kuyavuza.
Goalkeepers ngakhuluma ngaye. Nangulo leta bedle yoyisa iSundowns we TS Galaxy although so wethu.
Uthephi.
Yeah,
You
okay.
understand?
Yeah.
Kuna lo mfana lo Marumo Galaxy. That keeper that one.
Yeah.
So you check all those things. So kunama-goalkeeper ukuthi ababheki problem ukuthi i-focus yonke ebholweni manje iku-Pirates ne-Sundowns. That is why everything it goes there. But if bangayeka nje babhekana naku-first division, mina ngazi ukuthi isquad bayalanda uzobona balanda umuntu ole njengo-Foster lo Foster or Froster uzolanda uzomesa amagoli onke maruthola ischeme and sinabantu laba shayinet abasithola ischeme and uzibuza ukuthi yini le ngaka nomlungu alandelele kulo muntu izimbhuwe ne-support yeah so uzibuza why coach ingasebenzisi le mentality ukuthi ne man lo makame masibuya singamlandi mara uzomlanda.
Oh yeah so any prediction about game Pagania? Ngiyazi angibuzi chief akathanda ukuphuma ngamaphepha.
Ngingena ke ishawu ngingena. Namhlanje imlo.
Yeah, any prediction general?
Kule game le Pirates.
Yeah.
It's a win.
Score more big.
If not 2-0 might be 3-1, I can tell. But definitely a win.
When a chief
yabona ke manje izolo bekuza abanye labathi kimi hey man awusamele sithola amathikiti ngithi sold out yabona Amsterdam arena mamela angifuni ukubona into ezenzakala Saturday lapha and labafana bona ngokwabo as we speak now. I was a coach, I was a player, they are being motivated. iPirates lokushaya ngendwangu mawuqala uvela ulimale ngendwangu nje usafela. Lo muntu ogqokisa iPirates I wish to meet him or her or them. Awuyayazi uyi-motivate abafana.
Yeah.
2, labafana labana futhi mase igcwele arena ichitheka njengoba izobe ichitheka Saturday. Bazohamba nawo. Bazohamba baba linyukunyane. Yeah, baba linyukunyane washimani bale. You know usabheke ngapha baza ngapha. Mawusabheke ngapha baya baphithizela. You understand? It's when that lo mlungu lo mayangamisa lentwana ukuya ngami sibe kuyime yena lo mlungu wethu lo uGiraffe. Ngabe lentwana ingagcoki at all. If bekhona kalihlalela lapha estadium ibona kalibhola dlala kanjani.
Yeah.
Umbuthuma ngagcoki. You understand ukuya ngami. Yabona bo master chef kula bafuneka khona ke. Mabegijima abantu baseNatal basedakweJiliza libambe alitela amanzi.
Ufaka ishukela.
Yeah. Apheke ukudliwe. You understand?
Yeah.
So those are the guys we need. Manje problem ye coach not yethu uGeneral uKhalile last week ngecoach eChiefs. Bafaka abafana kusele 7 minutes. Uzwenzani? Are you training for 7 minutes? Huh? It discourages player ibulala iform ye player already. So lo muntu makayekela abafana. Makhona ngathi uyaxeka. Akalahlela bazoxeka uyabenza ukuthi ngasaxeki iqine. In that one I'm saying, like it or not, but long naleyo ukuthi bangabuya abantu baseNatal mara basadakwe icup. So as much as badakwe icup, thina sifuna icup, obviously uthatha icup nathi.
Yeah. Truth grand trend.
Bangafikanga ku4.
So nithi bafethu nithi ngecup basigayona lana bangasigayera Rustenburg ngoku.
Asesiyaya Rustenburg formality nokuthi
Mara ngaba seseduzana ngabe nje.
Mamela eRustenburg ukuya le iformality.
Yeah.
Ngisho ukuthi le iformality and vele umthetho ukuthi vele siyithatha le. But engikushoyo nawo labana bayazi basuka le Natal bayazi ukuthi kuzokhalana. Ibameli nduku. And uyazi ke mani ngavuma ne4 bangayidobha labantu umo. Ya emapalini yatlap.
Hayi siyabonga bafethu and keep on subscribing and keep on sharing the video, like and comment bafethu nisitshele nani mani nama question nama input on our show ukuthi sithune kanjani or you wanna say something. Even if more input you wanna say something, we can even bring you ukuthi ube guest uhlale no Jenene uhlale no Chief Mr. Mzerawa. Thank you bafethu. Thank you Chief. Thank you Mr. Mzerawa. Bless.
Haya sibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngediski asiya masuka commentator samajita wasekasi afrustani diski adlali diski that's why siringa ngediski yes ya ibungikijane laba.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Disky Supreme. Sirinang Disky, oh oh oh. They fight like lions on a TV show. Sirinang Disky, ah ah. wakes up, no kiss, just a scoreline. Did you see that red at your